How to download applications without payment method in our Android device. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to do so without adding card, UPI, or bank on our Android phone. So let's just get started. So one of the easiest method is downloading free applications from the Google Play Store. You do not need any card for that. So you can access your Google Play Store for that on your Android device and you can search for any of the free application available. So you can use a search here and search for that following app. For example, let's say PUBG. So you can head over to the app and find it up and you can find the install option easily. It is completely free and Google does not ask for payment method for free applications. And if the Play Store keeps on asking for a card, what we can do instead is once we open a Play Store, tap on our profile picture and from there just go over and look out for payments and subscriptions. And within payments and subscriptions, go to the payment method option here and we can remove our debit or credit card from this section. And now you can download the free applications without any kind of problems available. And you can also use other open source applications such as Aurora Store, F-Droid, etc. and install it and search and install applications, no payment if ever. But usually this is how you should be able to download an Android without any kind of payment. You can try out these methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.